All right, I thought it would be fun today to do a quick video on how I do my contouring. So I actually contour 3 different areas. I like to use that second shade from the left lower level. So I start with my cheekbones. So you go right under the actual bone, and you always want to go from like mid-cheek upwards. Don't want to go downwards because you could bring the contour too far down. And then when I have less on my brush, I'll do a couple little strokes up top like you've just seen me do. So repeat that to your other side. Some people like to carve it out with a lighter color after underneath if you want it extra strong. I was trying to keep it semi-natural-ish for this look specifically. So that's basically all I do. I've just got a super light angled brush. If I have any residue, I might do just like a little bit to contour my jawline right at the bottom of my face. And then I'm just looking for a smaller brush now to do my nose as well. This is just if I have time or once in a while if I feel like it. Right now, it's like the thin nose is super on trend with a slight kind of lift to your tip. So I'm just applying this with a super skinny brush just to thin out my nose. Sometimes I'll do it even thinner. Basically, the closer together you do these lines, the thinner your nose bridge will look. And then if you do right underneath the point of your nose, it's going to create a shadow down below, making it look more upturned. So that's what I'm kind of trying to achieve here. So I'm kind of blending it with this brush. It's a very dense brush, so I recommend using one that is fairly dense as well, so you're not going to end up with powder all over. You want to keep that from spreading at all. So I even just took the brush that I had earlier to blend it a little bit further because it's just a really nice kind of rough consistency where sometimes if it's too soft, it'll over blend it too. So you kind of want to find a middle ground between the two of those. So I'm just blending out the tips of my nose. Blend, blend, blend. You don't want to look like streaky or anything like that. Definitely not a good look. And then I'm just noticing, I think that I needed a little bit more blending. So I go back in, make sure it looks good. And I think I am happy with it now. Love it.